guys, today we are playing Final Nights 4. Come on, lads. We're once again joined by Ethan.
Yeah, let's go.
He's always going to be
let's
here,
go.
at least most times. Majority.
Yeah,
Anyway,
gotta be here.
we're just going to get straight into this.
One of these days, guys, you'll get a video that's just me. You've had one with just Blake, and I'm sure you love that. It's probably your favourite thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's one of our worst doing videos on the channel. But I don't remember.
Hey.
I'll listen to the,
Good to, see you're still sticking around. I presume nobody caused you trouble last night. Oh. Well, I'll keep it brief, as to not distract you from any of your
I'm assuming night 2 will just be the same as night 1, right?
And actually,
so.
on that note, the Puppet Master,
Right.
it seems there is a bug in his programming right now, where the PM and AM in his show's time schedules are mixed. So he may or may not come out tonight. Just to keep him out, you have to give him what he wants. Attention. Looking at him via the cameras should slow down his path. Right, keep yourself level-headed tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow.
looking at him should keep him at bay. I'm looking. Are you happy? You got attention? What do you want from me?
Is Freddy doing anything? Or... something just happened.
Poisonous gas.
Don't gas him.
I have to get off the cams.
Where'd Freddy go?
Where the
I'm so confused. Oh shit. Ah shit.
gas? Should I stop doing that? What's going on, my G?
And don't forget about the puppet. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I don't actually know how to deal with it.
Oh shit. Not good. Neither. I'm not gonna Google it yet though. See if we can figure it out on our own first. Did Freddy come into your office?
I think. Fuck.
The game might be gone.
Yeah, now I'm dead. I'm confused. What did I do wrong?
No, 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 no.
It's Freddy low-key mind. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Thank fuck.
Oh.
I'm really confused because he didn't.
No, I remember this. It says that he tries to bait you. Is that Freddy?
No, it's Bonnie. Bro, your breath reeks, bro.
Yeah, this is why I have the soundboard, just to add a little bit to the quiet moments, you know.
Yeah, I'm dead. Fuck you, Bonnie. I hate you. I'm going to kill you. I hope you die a slow, painful death.
The game is so gone.
I hope it hurts.
Like,
Fuck you. Nothing to see here. I'm cooked, aren't I?
Emotional damage.
Fuck. Second time's a charm. Can you tell
Nearly.
us how to do the marionette? Please, Ethan, I need.
Of course. Maybe it'll be like everything else where the guy talking to you is lying to you. No, find my iPhone. I don't use iPhone.
Yeah, you do.
I'm no gimp. Final Nights 4 Puppet. Called the Puppet Master. Marionette. The puppet is male. Since when?
I don't know. It's pretty much a different timeline, so.
Appearance. I don't care about the appearance. Behaviour. The puppet likes the attention, but he doesn't like to be seen.
So what?
Oh no, this is the first bit.
He doesn't know he's being seen, does he?
Might too. Might too. It says Final Nights 3, Final Nights 4. New threat, player, to keep watching them. Lack of attention will cause them to move from room to room. When they near the player's office, they'll perform a jump scare and cause a game over.
So how do I stop it?
It says the player to keep watching them. You just have to watch it. It's probably like Foxy, except you can't really counteract it. I don't think you can. It doesn't say you can on the fandom thing. Although maybe our whole 0 viewers will tell us how to get past it.
0, we've got pretty decent consistency.
Yeah, but it's not like someone's live. It's not like we're live and we have a chat for people to help us.
True. I think Fredbear's gonna come. Oh shit.
Yo, Google, are you okay? How to get past Night 2 in FNAF 4. Crawl through the Ballora gallery housing the animatronic Ballora. Locate the poster on the left wall that shows Bonnie, Freddy and Chica.
Yo,
Blood
Freddy
clap.
better be faking.
A Bonnie, Freddy, Chica, Ballora. What the fuck? Are we thinking of the right game?
I think they're thinking of sister location.
Innit?
Freddy, I'm Fredbear, please. I know this is spring. What's this Bonnie called?
Spring Bonnie. Did it leave?
Pretty sure.
Oh shit, what if it's Freddy coming in? Freddy might be in there.
I might be dead.
If you can't see him in any cameras, check your office.
Oh, he's at third stage. Never mind, I'm good. He was at show stage. Well, he was.
Nah,
I
you're
dead?
cooked. Trust me.
No.
I told you.
There's a way to
If you
skip.
don't get him the first time, you won't be able to get him at all.
I don't get what I did wrong.
Why so serious?
Oh cholera! Czy to Freddy Fazbear?
What in the perfectly timed?
It's like,
I did the correct thing and then it went right to the jump scare.
always watching. Why
Suppose it's kind of convenient that-
serious?
It's actually kind of convenient, to be fair, if you really think about it.
What's convenient?
Because Freddy has to go to Puppet, right?
Yeah.
You have to watch Puppet. So you can just sit in the Puppet thing until Freddy gets there, and then get him to Party Room 1.
Then get him to myself.
Yeah. So it's kind of convenient, really, if you think about it all.
It's true. Is he just slower when I watch him instead of it just doesn't move?
Yeah.
Is there a destination for him? Like, does he go somewhere that kills me?
I think he just... I don't know, maybe he uses the vents. Or maybe he just goes around the place to annoy you.
Oh.
Or to try and find someone and then gets to your office last. I don't know.
Me bomba klart.
Yo, guys, if you get this video to 5 likes, I will force Blake to do an actual VR chat video. Where we sit on VR chat and find a good Five Nights at Freddy's game inside of it. Or just on
Please,
VR in
guys,
general.
No. It's a pretty bad form of torture.
You heard me, bro. 5 likes, and we'll do it. I'll force him.
5 likes and I'll buy even a meal deal.
He will not get a say.
Guys, still get this video to 5 likes because I said so.
Quick! He's in there, he's in there.
Please tell me you're going back, Fredbear.
One of two things is going to happen here. He's either coming towards you, or he's leaving.
I swear to God, Fredbear, if I see you on the cameras, I'm gonna crash out, bro. I better hear
I'm
footsteps.
checking your office.
Please tell me that's Fredbear.
You can,
That's Fredbear. You can tell.
yeah, but aren't you supposed to get out of the thing and look at him?
No, that's only Springbok. Well, actually, you don't even
Otherwise
have
it might
to
not
look at
work.
So, where is he? Back at show
Where even
stage.
is Spring Bonnie?
Very close to me. Probably approaching as we speak. Here he is. No one's here. Yo, this might actually be the one. Who's knocking? Here comes Bonnie. Yo, I
What
think
AM is it?
3, maybe 4 now. half 3.
Oh shit. Where's Freddy at?
At stage.
Stage.
Lucky for
They're
me,
both at stage. The game might be back.
isn't it? And they're both just chilling. Puppet moves where? Am I doing
Ah
something wrong?
shit. I don't know. It just says you have to watch him. Why are you checking other cameras?
Obviously, I have to know if Fredbear leaves. Couldn't care less about Spring Bonnie, but. Someone's left. It's Fredbear.
Yeah, check show stage.
It's Fredbear. I just checked. What you gonna
And
do?
then all you have to do is check back at puppet corner every now and again. Why is checking vent? Oh no, wait, yeah, no, you don't have to lure him to the puppet room. He goes there by himself.
I know. He's there.
Parts and service, bro. Otherwise, he'll move. No, he's not there yet.
What the hell is he doing? Shit.
Oh shit, he's gonna turn those on, isn't he?
I don't know how to deal with them. I don't even know their names.
Neither.
Okay. This is the time.
Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's nearly 5 AM, I think. Check parts and service, or backstage. What's he doing? He's just staring at them. If he turns those animatronics on, you're so dead. Like, there's no hope.
I don't even know
all.
what those are.
Don't forget about Fredbear.
To be honest, I kind of hope.
I think he's
that
probably
goes
coming
off.
to your office.
Oh, he's leaving. Oh wait, that can't be good. What have you
Maybe you
done?
stared at him long enough for him to go back.
Maybe he's contemplating his life.
Yeah.
I'll live if power goes off, why not?
Possibly. He seems to be going backwards. Maybe
Maybe
he
he
has to
goes-
get to backstage and then back to puppet corner. And then you die. Or he just comes to you.
Well, it's gotta hope he doesn't make the lap. The fuck is Fredbear, I mean?
Yeah, he's going back. Why? I don't know. He might be going to you.
Shit, I missed it.
That's Fredbear. Fredbear's in.
Come to me, Fredbear. Come to me, Fredbear. Come to me, Fredbear. No, you want to. Fuck.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Literally killing me. What's the time, bro?
God.
Are we nearly done?
Yes! Get it!
It's actually a bad thing because now we don't know what happens because we might be cooked next night.
Oh,
Game might be gone.
That's for a video tomorrow or a different day.
Yeah, you got a good point. If you're wondering why it takes us so long to get videos out, it's because neither of us can ever be bothered to edit, and I usually force Blake to do it because it's a lot of effort.
Oh, what happened to the quality? What happened to the graphics? What the fuck is this? Oh, it's
Fell off.
maybe it's just like, yeah, you can see it changing a bit.
It's just loading.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue.
Change room and maybe it'll fix. It fixed. Everything looks decent now.
Yo, who's
Did you
that?
just leave? I saw him moving.
Oh, thanks, mate. It's not very nice.
Far.
You think we'd have like a concussion
Oh.
or something getting punched by a metal hand? Play fair.
Yeah, I thought maybe you'd be a bit more dead
What the
from
fuck
that.
is that? He's not even talking.
Just press the button.
I'm.
Max Donovan,
Are you gonna answer him?
paranormal
I did.
investigator.
Those final nights, I saw things. What did he do to me?
Oh,
I don't
no.
know.
He drugged your drink.
He drugged your drink?
I don't fucking know.
He even had things in the food.
Oh, no.
Already? Night 3? Good luck, Blake.
Well,
Ah,
I'm just reopening it because, you know.
what?
I want to see
Why?
the new, screen. I want to see what it looks like.
Oh, of course.
Oh, it's normal again. Anyways, guys, that will be it for today's video. If you liked, then you should consider dropping a sub. Maybe press that bell if you really feel like it, you know, because I'd appreciate it. And other than that, have a Merry Christmas and see you in the next video. Peace.